In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop unwanted emails, unsubscribe emails in Gmail. By the end, you'll know the right tools to clean up your inbox, prevent future clutter, and safely unsubscribe from mailing lists. Start with the simplest win: mark junk as spam. In your inbox, select any unwanted messages, then click the Report Spam button at the top. This tells Gmail to filter similar emails automatically in the future, so fewer of them ever reach your inbox. It's a great first step for generic promotions or obvious junk, and it helps the system learn your preferences over time. Next, block persistent senders. Open the email from the sender you never want to hear from again. Click the three vertical dots next to the reply button, then choose block. From now on, emails from that sender will go straight to your spam folder. Use this when it's a specific person or organization that keeps slipping through. For even more control, create filters to manage or delete messages automatically. Click the gear icon, go to See All Settings, then open the Filters and Block Addresses tab. Choose Create a new filter and enter a sender's email or even a domain. Set what should happen, like delete it or skip the inbox to keep it out of sight, then click Create Filter. Filters are perfect for newsletters you don't need to read or automated notifications you only want archived. When you're ready to clean house, delete emails in bulk. Click the checkbox near the search bar to select the messages on the page, then hit the trash icon. If you've run a search for, say, by a sender, you can often select all matching conversations to clear them quickly. It also helps to remove unwanted contacts. Open Google Contacts, find email addresses you don't want saved, and delete them. This reduces auto-suggestions and can cut down on messages you accidentally encourage by replying. For legitimate marketing emails, use Gmail's built-in unsubscribe option. Open the message, look near the sender's name at the top for unsubscribe, click it, and confirm. This signals the sender to stop emailing you, which is ideal for newsletters you willingly joined but no longer need. If you don't see Gmail's button, scroll to the bottom of the email and use the unsubscribe link in the footer. Commercial senders are required to include it. Follow the prompts to confirm. Quick tip: if an email looks suspicious or fishy, don't click unsubscribe, mark it as spam instead. Combine these methods and your Gmail will stay clean, organized, and far less noisy.